Construction continues. Now Bezalel made the ark of acacia wood. Its length was 2.5 cubits, its width 1.5 cubits, and its height 1.5 cubits. And he overlaid it with pure gold inside and out, and made a gold molding for it all around. He cast 4 rings of gold for it on its 4 feet, 2 rings on one side of it, and 2 rings on the other side of it. And he made poles of acacia wood, and overlaid them with gold. He put the poles into the rings on the sides of the ark, to carry it. He also made an atoning cover of pure gold, 2.5 cubits long and 1.5 cubits wide. And he made 2 cherubim of gold. He made them of hammered work at the 2 ends of the atoning cover. 1 cherub at the one end and 1 cherub at the other end. He made the cherubim of one piece with the atoning cover at the 2 ends. And the cherubim had their wings spread upward, covering the atoning cover with their wings, with their faces toward each other. The faces of the cherubim were toward the atoning cover. Then he made the table of acacia wood, 2 cubits long, a cubit wide, and 1.5 cubits high. He overlaid it with pure gold, and made a gold molding for it all around. And he made a rim for it of a hand width all around, and made a gold molding for its rim all around. He also cast 4 gold rings for it and put the rings on the 4 corners that were on its 4 legs. Close by the rim were the rings, the holders for the poles to carry the table. And he made the poles of acacia wood, and overlaid them with gold, to carry the table. He also made the utensils which were on the table, its dishes, its pans, its libation bowls, and its jars, with which to pour out drink offerings, of pure gold. Then he made the lampstand of pure gold. He made the lampstand of hammer work, its base and its shaft. Its cups, its bulbs, and its flowers were of one piece with it. There were 6 branches going out of its sides. 3 branches of the lampstand from the one side of it and 3 branches of the lampstand from the other side of it. 3 cups shaped like almond blossoms, a bulb and a flower on one branch, and 3 cups shaped like almond blossoms, a bulb and a flower on the other branch, so for the 6 branches going out of the lampstand. And on the lampstand there were 4 cups shaped like almond blossoms, its bulbs and its flowers. And a bulb was under the first pair of branches coming out of it, and a bulb under the second pair of branches coming out of it, and a bulb under the third pair of branches coming out of it, for the 6 branches coming out of the lampstand. Their bulbs and their branches were of one piece with it. The whole of it was a single hammered work of pure gold. And he made it 7 lamps with its tongs and its trays of pure gold. He made it and all its utensils from a talent of pure gold. Then he made the altar of incense of acacia wood, a cubit long and a cubit wide, square, and 2 cubits high. Its horns were of one piece with it. And he overlaid it with pure gold, its top and its sides all around, and its horns. And he made a gold molding for it all around. He also made 2 golden rings for it under its molding, on its 2 sides, on opposite sides, as holders for poles with which to carry it. And he made the poles of acacia wood, and overlaid them with gold. Then he made the holy anointing oil and the pure, fragrant incense of spices, the work of a perfumer,